Hey everybody, hi friends. So we're gonna do another craft today. This one is Lightsaber glow sticks. So if you hopefully have some glow sticks hanging around the house, the large ones work the best. You need just a little piece of cardboard, some rubber bands, duct tape, scissors, and permanent marker works the best for this. You can use other markers, but it might rub off on your hands a little bit. So I got this idea out of this pretty cool book, Glow Stick Art. There's a whole bunch of different ideas in there. Okay, so I have one that's already made here. That's what we're gonna make today. So I have my glow stick and my little piece of cardboard, and we're going to start with that. So what we need to do is wrap that piece of cardboard right around just the end of the glow stick. But first we're going to put some elastic bands lengthwise around that piece of cardboard. And we do this to help make sure that the glow stick doesn't go flying up. Helps make it sticky in there. Okay, so we're going to wrap that around the very end of it and then cover it with duct tape. So the duct tape the color of the duct tape is perfect. It helps it. This is a little tricky. There we go. I got one piece on. I grabbed two pieces of it just to keep it secure. Yeah, the color is like a perfect color of the duct tape is perfect color for a handle of a lightsaber. There we go. Got it around there. Now all we're going to do is take our Sharpie or marker, whatever you have. You just have to make sure the marker sits and dries for quite a while. So we're just gonna decorate it however you would like to decorate it. I'm just gonna put a few lines down it. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing there. Down the end of it. A few more. Okay. Couple more in here. That should be good. And I'm going to take my red Sharpie and just put a little circle. It's kind of like the turn on button. Okay. There we go. Now I have two different lightsabers. We are going to crack them and see what they look like. It looks pretty good. Let's see if somebody will dim the lights for me. Shake that one up. There we go. They're dimmed. Ooh, that looks awesome. Excited for this. Give that one a shake. There you go. A little glow stick lightsaber fun. Thanks everybody.